yung front mo yung iba na ano, yung veil na iba. Oo. Yan. Yeah! Dali lang.
Who wants to have kids right away?
A kids! A kids!
Who wants to have kids right away?
Wow! Ulit!
Okay, next. So we got the survey. The survey says, next. Honey, 5 boys. So may dalawang guys and girls. Okay, next one. Okay, go. Mamigay ng boys lang.
Wala ka!
The survey says, wala. 6 points. So meron kayo 11 boys. Saan ka sabay? Okay, next. Ate na. Oh, meron ako. May mali ka. So, mamigay ng boys tayo magkasama. Ate Queenie. Love, love, love.
Go.